What I'm looking for in competition is good food, to be fair. Just simple, plain, tasty food that meets the brief.
Of course, you're always looking for quality, you're looking for taste, you're looking for texture, looking for creativity.
Technique and flavour. Often they don't go hand in hand actually, because a lot of people get the techniques right but don't concentrate on flavour, and you have to have a balance of the two.
Concentration on cooking, really nice quality of cooking of the fish, and good garnishing, really sort of harmonious flavours to go along with the fish.
I was about 6 years old, I think, and my nan used to cook lots of bread, and Grandad had a little veg patch.
And you got into a job because it was important to get a job, that was it.
When I was the only male participant at home economics at school, and I really enjoyed that.
And I just loved the food at my nan and granddad's house as opposed to my mum's house, so I knew that there was a difference in quality of food.
I got into a cookery class, 32 students, 2 of which were boys, and my first cooking lesson I got, I think it was 9 out of 10. I found I could cook. I found my natural ability in life.
Try hard, work hard, concentrate and be dedicated.
First and foremost, do not get fed up with my industry. It's got a lot to offer you. Don't give up.
Get your nut down, concentrate, work hard, listen, be humble and enjoy it.
The range of different talents that they have from all the different sectors. You know, you've got some phenomenal people.
Working with Sodexo is working to see the development of Sodexo as far as the chef world goes. I have worked with Sodexo for many, many years.
So I think the variation of everything and the different styles and different types of chefs is really interesting.
A lot of practice, a lot of hard work, commitment, but yeah, it's been really good. A lot of encouragement from all the Sodexo team, so yeah, really enjoyed it.